Welcome to the VU Gate channel's final term preparation guide. For CS101 Introduction to Computing, where we cover the essential high-priority topics to help you succeed. Starting with Topic 1, Data Representation and Number Systems, you must master conversions between binary, decimal, and hexadecimal, while understanding 2's complement notation, which is the standard way computers store and calculate negative numbers in binary. You should also be familiar with storage units from bits and bytes up to terabytes, and the difference between ASCII and Unicode, which is a coding system that allows computers to represent text from almost every language in the world. Moving into Topic 2, Logic Gates and Circuits, you need to know the 7 basic gates and how to complete truth tables for complex combinations, while focusing on why NAND and NOR are called universal gates, meaning they can be used to create any other logic gate without needing different types. For Topic 3, Computer Architecture and Hardware, you must understand the machine cycle consisting of fetch, decode, and execute, alongside the roles of the ALU and control unit, and the difference between volatile RAM and non-volatile ROM, which retains its data even after the power is turned off. Next is Topic 4, Algorithms and Flowcharts, where you must memorize specific shapes like the parallelogram for input and output and the diamond for decisions, which are used to show a branch or choice in the program's logic. In Topic 5, Networking and Security, focus on network topologies, like star and mesh, and the 7 layers of the OSI model, which is a conceptual framework used to understand how data moves across a network. You should also learn the functions of protocols like DNS, and the differences between viruses and worms. In Topic 6, Web Development, you must master the basic HTML structure and tags for tables, lists, and images, which use the src attribute to tell the browser where the image file is located. Finally, in Topic 7, Database and Software Engineering, you should understand the difference between a primary key and a foreign key and the phases of the SDLC, which is a step-by-step process used by developers to design and build high-quality software.